In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove highlighted text from Microsoft Word. Maybe you've opened a document and noticed some lines are glowing in yellow or another color, and no matter what you try, that highlight just won't go away. In this walkthrough, I'll guide you, step by step, through exactly how to clear that highlighting so your text looks clean and consistent. First, open your Word document and scroll to the part where the text is highlighted. Take a moment to click directly into that text so Word knows which area you want to work with. If you only want to remove highlighting from a small section, click and drag to select just that specific word, sentence, or paragraph. If you'd rather clear all highlighting from the entire document, you can press Ctrl and A on your keyboard to select everything at once. With your text selected, look toward the top of the window for the toolbar, often called the ribbon. Make sure you're on the Home tab. This is where you'll find most of the basic formatting tools. In the Home tab, find the section labeled Font. Inside this area, look for the text highlight color icon. It usually looks like a little marker pen with a colored bar underneath it. If your text is currently highlighted, that color should match what you're seeing in the document. Click the small arrow next to the text highlight color icon to open the color menu. Now, instead of choosing another color, look for the option that says No Color. Go ahead and click that. As soon as you choose No Color, the highlight should disappear from the selected text. If you selected the entire document earlier, that will remove all highlighting throughout the file in one go. If you still see some areas that are highlighted, they may have been missed during selection. So just repeat the process. Select that part, open the text highlight color menu, and choose No Color again. A quick tip. Sometimes people confuse text highlighting with shading behind a paragraph. If the highlight doesn't go away after using the No Color option, it might actually be paragraph shading. In that case, with the text still selected, look in the paragraph section on the Home tab for the shading button, and set that to No Color as well. Once you're happy with how everything looks, remember to save your document so you don't lose your changes. And that's all you need to do to remove highlighted text from Microsoft Word.